In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount codes for products in Stripe. Whether you're offering a seasonal discount, a promotional deal, or just rewarding your loyal customers, setting up discount codes can be a fantastic way to boost your sales. Let's dive right in and make this happen in a few simple steps. First things first, you'll need to visit Stripe's website. Think of Stripe as your comprehensive financial infrastructure designed to help your business's revenue grow. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to stripe.com. Once the web page loads, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button, which will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you don't already have an account, there's an option to create one, but assuming you do, enter your details and gain access to your Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to your Stripe home. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you can get an overview of your financial activities and manage all aspects of your business transactions. Your next destination is the product catalog. This is where all your existing products live, and you'll have the ability to view and manage them easily. While in the product catalog, you'll notice an option labeled Coupons. Click on this option. Coupons are essentially what allow you to offer discounts to your customers. They're a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal, helping you attract and retain customers by providing that little incentive to make a purchase. Now that you're in the coupon section, it's time to create a new one. Look out for the Create Coupon button and give it a click. This is where you'll define the specifics of your discount code. You'll walk through fields asking for details like the discount amount, a percentage or a fixed amount, and other specifications like duration and usage limitations. As you navigate through creating your coupon, take a moment to consider what kind of discount you're offering. Is it a one-time deal, a recurring discount, or only applicable during a specified date range? These details will help set clear expectations for your customers and ensure a smooth transaction process. And that's it. You've successfully set up a discount code ready to offer your customers and boost your business. Remember, you can come back to this section at any time to create more coupons or manage existing ones, giving you the flexibility to adapt to your business needs. Thanks for following along in this tutorial, and happy selling!